on now.
Y'all playing with me, right?
Oh, no. Go.
Hey, this serious. Line up. Line up. Line up.
Hey, line him up. Hey, how about Mike?
Hey, Brown, I got 11 and a half on my shoes. Set. Hit.
Holding. That's holding.
It's not a hold. He gets 5 yards. He gets 5 yards.
He does get 5 yards.
He gets 5 yards.
Hold me down.
That's 1. 0 for 1.
You gonna go get some? You want some too, Coach? Oh, okay, Coach.
Hit.
Hey, did I get you or what? I was gonna fuck you up.
Next.
Wow, the hat came off. Watch the glare.